Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we're going to be doing some Halloween art today with some skeleton bones. I've been seeing this design all over Instagram, so I definitely had to go ahead and try it. So first thing you're going to do is paint all the nails black, and then you're going to top coat it with a clear gel right after this. That's a very important step because we are going to pour some glitter on top. So paint all the nails black. I'm using this Valentino black. You can use really any black that you have. And then once you finish, just go ahead and top coat it like you normally would. And I know I've been promising like a bunch of Halloween sets for you guys, but to be honest, fall sets have just been taking over me lately. Like I've been very excited to do fall colors over Halloween. I don't know why. I'm sure that'll change as we get closer to Halloween, but yeah, I'll put some videos in here of my favorite fall sets that I've done so far. And if you want to see more of my favorite fall sets, be sure to check out my Instagram. I'll have the name in the description of this video. But yeah, I definitely have a couple more Halloween sets for you guys that'll be coming at this weekend or maybe early next week, because I haven't been working on them. It's just that fall sets and fall colors have just been like, what I've been doing in the month of September. But now that we're officially in October, like I have to do Halloween sets. It's like a given. But yeah, I'm going to be then going in with any white gel polish that you have. And then you're going to do two parallel lines and then fill the middle of that line in. And then you're going to slightly take your brush and curve outward on both sides of the line until you can get like a upside down heart. And that is the technique that I used to get the skeleton bones. I'm not going to lie, this was super hard for me to do for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know if it just was I was having a challenging day this day or what, because I definitely looked at the set and was like, okay, easy, I'm gonna knock it out, I'm gonna do it real quick. And it was a complete opposite. Like it was actually very hard for me because you want to make sure like your skeletons are placed right. It has to be like right up under the other one. It was just I had to be a little bit more precise than I was expecting. So yeah, it wasn't as easy as I thought it was, but that's okay. So yeah, once you finish, before you put this into the light, just go ahead and pour some glitter on top of it, and then you can cure it. Important step: don't cure this before you put the glitter on it, because then it will not stick. So pour glitter on it as soon as you're finished with the nail art, and then you can put it into the light. So yeah, I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to repeat the same process on all four of these. So yeah, again, two parallel lines and then an upside down heart. And then for this middle skeleton bone, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to put a heart at the top as well. Now see, like I wasn't satisfied with this one. As you can see, I think I'm going to show you guys like how I just wipe it off, because I just wasn't liking it. I didn't like how big I made the second bone. So that is what you see me doing now. I just was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it off. Still wasn't satisfied, so I wiped the whole thing off, and I was like, I gotta give it another try. And then I ended up liking it. So yeah, super hard, like not difficult, but harder than I expected it to be. But my thing is, if I can do it, I'm sure you guys can do it, because I have like no artistic bone in my body. So again, if Miata Nails can draw it, you can draw it too, because I can't draw it to save my life. So yeah. Okay, so I was pretty satisfied, so I just went ahead and like went straight to the other nail, and then I'm gonna pour some glitter on top of this and then dry it so I don't mess it up, because I like to hit things when I do nails for some reason and then I just mess up or smear it or something like that. So I like to dry it in between, because I'm just a little bit clumsy. But yes, Stay tuned for my up and coming Halloween sets. I'm gonna probably get like hopefully like close to 10 out for you guys before Halloween, so you guys can practice them. So definitely stay on the lookout for those videos. And I'm probably going to be doing my nails soon, and I'm going to get another comic nail art tutorial out for you guys, so stay on the lookout for that as well. And as usual, thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If I don't say that enough, greatly appreciate it. If you're subscribed, I greatly appreciate that as well. And yes, stay on the lookout for my up and coming content, and I will see you guys in the next one.